go. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill out with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkness, the evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is a mistake. The only other sounds the sweet, oh busy when I'm down the flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go